Hello students, a very good morning to all. Okay, this is your math class, and yesterday we have studied exercise 2.1 and we have started our second chapter, that is whole number. Okay, and we have studied till question number 6. Now today we are going to see the rest of the questions of this exercise. Question number 11 is your homework, and let's proceed. Okay, so seventh question is that this is the number which is given. This is the number is, when we will read it in the Indian system, it will be 3,20,001. Okay, 3,20,001, and we need to write three consecutive numbers, whole numbers that occurs just before this. Three consecutive. Okay, but that comes just before this number. What we need to do? Okay, we need to subtract 1 from it. Okay, subtract 1 from it, because we need to find the numbers that are just occurring just before this. So just subtract 1. What we will get? We will get this. What is this? This is 3,20,000. Now again subtract 1 from 3,20,000. Okay, what we will get? We will get 3,19,999. Okay, just subtract it. That's very easy. Okay, again just subtract 1 from 3,19,999. Okay, what we will get? We will get 3,19,998. Okay, so here we have achieved we have got three numbers, and what will be our final answer? We will write lakh 20,000, 3,19,999, and again 3,19,998. So this is the final answer. Let us see eighth one. Question number 8. What is being asked? Okay, we have to find how many total whole numbers are there between these two numbers and between these two numbers. मतलब क्या है, यहाँ पूछ रहा है कि 38 और 68 दो होल नंबर दे रखे हैं, इनके बीच में there are how many whole numbers. This we need to find. And again here also between 99 and 300 how many whole numbers are there. So let us see how we will find out. Okay, so we just need to subtract the smaller one from the greater whole number. Okay, एक बात याद रखनी है, अगर इन दोनों नंबरों को इंक्लूड किया होता तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करके हम लोग 1 ऐड कर देते. मतलब ये पूछता कि हाउ मेनी होल नंबर्स आर देयर फ्रॉम 38 टू 68. अब दोनों को इंक्लूड करता तो मैं यहां +1 कर देता, बट हियर वी डोंट नीड टू इंक्लूड 38 एंड 68 बिकॉज बिटवीन पूछा है, इन दोनों के बीच में पूछा है. तो मेरे को क्या करना है, इसमें माइनस कर देना है 1. ओके, दैट्स वेरी इजी. 68 minus 38, what is this? It will be 30. Okay, and again minus 1, so we will get 29. Okay, so our final answer will be there are 29 whole numbers between which number? That is 38 and 68. Now let us again do the second question, that is B part. We have to find between 300 and 90, and again the same process will be followed. दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, फिर उसमें से आप क्या कर दोगे, माइनस कर दोगे 1. ओके, अगर दोनों को इंक्लूड करता 2 पूछता, ठीक है, फ्रॉम 99 टू 300, तो आप यहां पर माइनस की जगह प्लस कर देते. ओके, नाउ अगेन 300 minus 99. Okay, 300 minus 99, it will be 201. 201, again minus 1 is there, so it will be 200. So what will be our final answer? It will be there are 200 whole numbers. There are 200 whole numbers between 99 and 300. So let us see the next question. This is the question number 9. Okay, what is being asked over here? Here it is written that whole numbers between 100 and 200 which don't change if the digits are written in reverse order. Okay, इसका मीनिंग ये है कि we have to find how many numbers are whole numbers are there between 100 and 200 which don't change if the order of the digits are reversed. ठीक है, ऑर्डर का मतलब क्या है? लेट अस सी एन एग्जांपल हियर लाइक दिस इज 98. ओके, तो जो वंस प्लेस पे है वो टेंस पे आ जाएगा और जो टेंस पे है वंस पे आ जाएगा. मीन्स ऑर्डर रिवर्स कर देंगे, पहले 8 लिखेंगे फिर 9 लिखेंगे. आगे देखते हैं 123. ओके, तो हम लोग पहले लिखेंगे 3 फिर लिखेंगे 2 फिर लिखेंगे 1. ये हो गया. तो ऑर्डर रिवर्स करने का मतलब ये होता है. ओके, सो ऐसी कौन सी डिजिट्स हैं, ऐसे कौन से नंबर हैं जिनकी डिजिट्स को रिवर्स कर दें बट कोई फर्क नहीं आएगा, दे विल रिमेन द सेम. सो देयर आर दीज आर द नंबर्स 101. मैंने अगर उल्टा भी इसको लिख दिया क्या होगा? 101 ही होगा. ठीक है, नो डिफरेंस. सिमिलरली 111 रिवर्स कर दो, नो नथिंग. एंड अगेन 121, 131, 141, 151, 161, 171, 181 and 191. These are the numbers. Again, that's very easy. Now let us see the 10th question. What is being asked? Here it is asked number of 2-digit numbers. How many 2-digit numbers are there between 5 and 92? Between 5 and 92. Okay. So, as you know that between 5 and 92 पूछ रहा है, तो क्या होगा? फर्स्ट 2-digit number after 5. फर्स्ट 2-digit number after 5. 5 के बाद ऐसा कौन सा नंबर आता है जो 2-digit का है? वो पहला ऐसा नंबर है 10 है. ओके, अगेन 92 के जस्ट पहले, क्योंकि 92 को इंक्लूड नहीं करना है. ओके, द 2-digit नंबर जस्ट बिफोर 92, दैट इज 91. सो हमको क्या लेना है? द नंबर्स फ्रॉम 10 to 91. ये सारे लेने हैं. 10 को भी इंक्लूड करना है, 91 को भी इंक्लूड करना. तो मैं यहां लिखूंगा, विल राइट द 2-digit numbers from 10 to 91. ओके, द 2-digit numbers from 10 to 91 इज इक्वल टू, मैंने आपको बताया था कि जब दोनों को इंक्लूड करना होगा तो आपको यहां प्लस लेना होगा. ओके, सो व्हाट इट विल बी? 91 minus 10, that is 81, and again plus 1, that is 82. So our final answer is 82. तो 82 2-digit के नंबर होंगे between 5 and 92. Okay, so final answer will be, there will be 82. So our final answer is, there will be 82 2-digit numbers between 5 and 92. So this was all for today. We have ended up with our exercise 2.1. This is your homework. Take care, keep studying. Goodbye.